Hi there, this is another video in the Why Is It So Easy series. First, before I go any further, I want to thank you all for all the comments, all the emails, all the feedback. I really appreciate it. And I'm so glad that you're enjoying them as much as I am. So in today's Why Is It So Easy video, we are going to do peace. So let's get started. Why is it so easy for me to feel peace? Why is it so easy for me to feel peaceful? Why is it so easy for me to know peace? Why is it so easy for me to have a peaceful heart? Why is it so easy for me to sleep peacefully throughout the night? Why is it so easy for me to wake up with a peaceful mind? Why is it so easy to bring that feeling of peace to mind at will? Why is it so easy to have a memory that reminds me that peaceful feeling? Now, that peaceful feeling could be a day at the beach. It could be a walk along the river. It could be you went for a swim. You're in the woods. You're cooking a meal, whatever that is. And you just bring it to mind throughout the day. Why is it so easy for my peaceful heart to radiate peace into the world? Why is it so easy to return to a peaceful feeling at a moment's notice? Why is it so easy for a smile on my face to bring peace into my heart? Why is it so easy for all those around me to feel my peace? Why is it so easy for peace to watch over me? Why is it so easy for me to indulge in joy and laughter as well? Why is it so easy for me to notice that peace is present wherever I go? Why is it so easy for me? And for my peace to emanate infinite love. Why is it so easy for me to think about work to be done, and to be at peace with it? Why is it so easy for me to allow peace to move me forward with ease? Why is it so easy to make the space where I'm living peaceful and comfortable for me. Why is it so easy? Easy for me to feel at peace in my home and or in my office. Why is it so easy for me? For the peace within to heal me. Why is it so easy for my peace to heal my body? Why is it so easy for my peace to nourish my soul? Why is it so easy for my peace to release my past? Why is it so easy for me to allow noise and chaos and easily find my peace again? Why is it so easy for the peace in my heart to nourish all relationships in my life? Why is it so easy for me to be surrounded by peace wherever I go? Why is it so easy for my demeanor to remain peaceful when those around me are not? Why is it so easy for me to be charitable? Why is it so easy to receive? Why is it so easy to notice the freedom that peace brings me? Why is it so easy to express kindness? Why is it so easy to see all my blessings and be at peace with them all? Why is it so easy to be grateful for all that I have? Why is it so easy to allow peace to fill my spirit? Why is it so easy to be thankful for all that I am, for all that I have? Why is it so easy for me to make peace with my past? Why is it so easy for me to be at peace with my past? Why is it so easy for me to create moments of peace or peaceful reflections during the day? Why is it so easy to inspire peace with my every word? Why is it so easy for me to know that I am internal peace? Excellent. And you can feel that peace even more strongly right now. Feeling that peace in your body. Every cell, every fiber of your being present and peaceful. Excellent. Good job. Okay, if you like the video, give it a like. You may want to write a comment. I read all the comments and I thank you for all the comments. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because that helps everyone to find the videos. The more people that subscribe, it works in the algorithms that the more videos that these get suggested to other people that might be wanting them. Keep tapping.